delicious miners, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be sharing a smoothie recipe for weight gain. If you are looking to add weight in the right places, keep watching. For this recipe we'll be needing whole milk. You can use any other milk, but for this recipe to really work, we'll advise whole milk. That's because whole milk is a good source of high quality protein. The proteins in whole milk are complete, which means they contain all the amino acids you need to gain weight. To make your whole milk, measure 1 cup of water and add 3 tablespoons of full cream powdered milk. The next ingredient we'll need is honey. And apart from the so many health benefits of honey, it's going to be acting as a sweetener in this recipe. And not to worry, recipe is in the description box below. If you do not like honey or maybe you are allergic to it, you can use any sweetener of your choice, like date syrup. Another great and very important ingredient for this recipe is peanut butter. This is just groundnut paste, or should we call it groundnut in butter form. You can find it in supermarkets and stores, and they come in different brands. It's also an excellent source of protein. But if you're allergic to nuts, you can substitute this with avocado. Both of them contain a whole lot of calories that your body needs to. The next ingredient we'll be needing is white oats. You can find different brands in the market. Just get the one you can afford. The last but not the least ingredient we'll be using is bananas. And for this recipe, I used just one. So these bananas help to thicken your smoothie. This is basically like the only reason we are using bananas. You can opt for a different fruit if you do not like bananas. So these are the ingredients for our weight gain smoothie. So at this point, I will allow you to watch as I make the smoothie. One more thing, please stick with the ingredients I've listed here or with those substitutes I've given, because the creamier the smoothie, the better. This recipe has a lot of good review online, so be consistent with it and thank me later.